right.
I always spend 4, but now I just
I am
5.
Penny Nelson, Providence Soapery, 62959. And what's your name?
Catherine.
And what are we doing today, Catherine?
Making bath bombs.
Okay, we got this bath bomb from, I can't say it. Bulk Apothecary. Bulk Apothecary. Bulk Apothecary? How do you say it? Apothecary? These are about $4.50. And this is what our goal is. Today we are going to be making the muffin part. All right? And this will be the amateur on-off method. How old are you, Catherine?
9.
When did you turn 9?
July 8th.
July 8th. All right, so you guys, we will include the recipe, my recipe that we have, and we'll let you in on everything. And if this video does not shut off, then you'll get the whole thing. Okay, so let's introduce the rest of the group here. Who are you?
Creighton.
All right. And who are you?
Jada.
And who are you?
Carter.
Look what Jada comes in with. Okay, we've got our stuff on the table.
This is mine.
What is it?
I got this for my birthday and it makes bath bombs.
Okay, so we're going to get started with the bath bombs. Let me show you the recipe I have, and then you can pause it. This would probably work, of course, after I printed all this.
Is it too?
I wonder if I do this if you can see it. Anyways, you can always comment if you need me to give you this recipe. So after I typed this out and printed it with the color picture of the dragon, I found the perfected bigger recipe right there. It's a fire-breathing dragon that Jada made because Jada is the party queen.
And this is how it really looks.
Okay, we're going to pause. All right.
Can I go towards your bed?
Can you go towards my bed? Okay. Catherine's got the other bath bomb, and you see smell.
Can I go to your bed to play?
You can do that part on the couch. This bath bomb smells like vanilla to me, which I don't like.
I like it.
Okay, so the first thing Catherine is going to do is, Jada's fixing the recipe, is pick out a fragrance.
Yay!
Okay.
Yay!
This over. I have a slight addiction to fragrance oils.
That's Uncle Joe.
Let's see.
That's Uncle Joe.
Okay.
Hi, Uncle Josiah. We're videoing. Okay.
Sorry.
You're the one.
Ooh.
Hey, so
And you have essential oils.
What do you have?
Fragrance oils.
I can get better view.
Do you have a
difference?
preference, Jada?
Can you remember?
Depends on what the choices are, I suppose.
Oh, there's too many choices. I was going to narrow it down to 2 choices before she saw the choices. I have kid-friendly fragrances, which is
A bath bomb.
Brambleberry.
Ooh, let's smell that one. What is bramble?
Brambleberry is the name of the company.
Oh, I thought that was a
Okay,
smell.
watermelon, strawberry, lime,
What's this?
Uncle Joe teaches
hairberry.
me all the time.
That is
Ew, sticky.
my attempt at the cherry that's going to
Uncle
go
Joe
on
teaches
top.
me all the time.
Ooh, smell it.
Oh, let's try this one.
Okay, well, hold on.
Wait, first you got to decide if you like it. The name.
What was that
Not
one?
so much.
We're going to pause, and then when she decides, we'll let you know what she picked.
Hey, Mom,
All right,
I'm
and-
hungry.
Creighton is hungry, and the winner is buttercream and snickerdoodle.
It smells good.
Smells good to Catherine, whose bath bombs these are. Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
Jada says, what is the difference between fragrance oils and essential oils? Okay,
Let's see.
that's a really good question. We're gonna tear our scale. Okay, essential oils. Who'd you get these from? Amazon. Okay. Essential oils are plants, trees,
But you have to
fruits,
go online.
barks that have been distilled. So they are very condensed. Fragrance oils, and that's what this is in my opinion. So you should do your own research and make sure they're basically synthetic. So you should always make sure you follow the
Give us a
recommended
thumbs up.
amount. Yeah, you should give us a thumbs up. And I don't know the exact amount to put in bath bombs
Can you give
off
me
the
some?
top of my head. You need oatmeal? We'll do that in a minute. Okay,
Give
so
us
we are...
a big thumbs
Give us
up.
a thumbs up. We're going to do the mango butter. Okay, this is a scale. And the light is on it.
What is this scale?
This is the scale. You can come over here. Okay, so first we have to tear our scale, which makes it 0.
That makes
And
it
we're
0.
going to do grams. Okay, so now it's on 0 grams.
It's actually on 2.
Okay, we're using mango butter, which I got online. And mango butter is a hard oil.
Now it's on 0.
Now it's on 0. Let me see if I can get
Now
this.
it's on 2.
Okay, so here's the mango butter, and I bought it online in bulk form. Mango butter is pretty expensive,
It smells good.
and we are going to need
What does it
27
taste
grams.
Does
The
it
lid's
taste
on
like
there.
something?
You don't put blanket in.
Okay, of course our scale turns off, so now we're
No.
back to 0. Okay, so we're going to take,
Ooh, can I put it on?
yes you can,
Yay.
Why can't I put it on?
because you didn't ask yet.
Please?
Okay, now, how many is that?
Let me try it.
How many?
Try it.
20. Oh, you moved. Okay, let's.
I tried to see it.
26. So we just need a smidgen more. 27, 28. Close
That's
enough.
20.
8.
28.
So now we're going to put it in for
Sorry,
my tea from an undisclosed location.
Sorry guys, it's I got you confused, but it's 28.
Okay. So now I can put that back and we'll move on to the next step.
Yep, moving on to the next step, guys.
Jada asked questions like, is the mango butter food grade? Which it probably is, but we're not going to be eating it, so it's okay either way. But it's a hard butter, which would be coconut oil is somewhat hard. Normal coconut oil is 76 degrees and then it melts. The things that are hard oils are cocoa butter, shea butter, and mango butter that I know of. They are very expensive, but it makes for a better bath bomb.
Okay guys, it is done, so we're gonna take it out.
Okay, you take it out, Catherine. Go ahead.
It's
Not
hard.
melted. It's not melted. We have to melt it a little more. How about another 30 seconds? So press the start button.
Start.
See where it says start?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, while we're waiting for it to...
I'm only
Can I
watching.
have oatmeal?
I'm watching it spin.
You need oatmeal, Creighton?
Yeah.
Okay,
I'm only watching
have
it
you ever
spin.
heard the saying a watched pot doesn't boil?
I got something.
Can I put something else?
Okay,
Now we're gonna
now
put
we
it
are going to
in
put we're doing 2 things at once. We're
I
going to
got strawberries and
Hold on,
cream.
let's do this first. We're going to do, let me look at the recipe. We're going to put the fragrance oil in our mango butter. We put it in for about a minute and it melted. So let me get the pipette. All right, so we decided today we're going to use 3 milliliters. This is the pipette. And we're going to put it in there, okay? So I'm going to hold this because I'm a chicken liver. You're going to go in. Well, first, yeah. Okay, no, that's not enough. So let's squeeze down. Okay, let's get all the air out first. And then, all right, let's try that, which is a little bit less than 3.
It's close.
Give it a good squeeze. I don't want to have all the... Have fun during the process?
It's
Oh,
farting.
Lord.
Let's add it on. See what
Lord
happens.
have mercy. Have fun
It's
during the
fart.
process.
It farted.
Okay, it's not that hot.
Okay, we're going to save this.
It smells good now.
You like it? Smells like a real cupcake. Can we talk about
Can
how
I smell that?
you get your food,
Where's the
Catherine?
You get it from a restaurant, or you can order it online, or you can make your own fun.
No, how you get food into your body.
Oh, I have a tube.
You have a tube.
See, guys,
What's it called, Catherine?
a mini tube.
A mini tube. And what kind of food do you get to put in your mouth?
candy canes and ice.
Candy canes and ice.
Yep.
The end. Yes.
Yep.
So Catherine gets all
Why?
of her. Yeah, that's a tough one. Catherine gets all of her nutrition from her. What's that called, Mommy?
Through her G tube.
Through her G tube.
Why does everybody ask? Why?
Runs from her feeding pump,
I
Which
hear
she carries
this
in her backpack.
already.
Which she carries
I
in her
hear this
backpack.
already.
and this pump controls how slow or fast it goes.
I
Okay.
hear
When-
this
when it's
already.
And that's what it's been too.
All right. So
I hear this already. See?
did.
we're gonna pause and then we're gonna go to the next step. Then that's funny because I just made the oatmeal for Creighton and I didn't even measure the water. And what happened to your mother, Catherine?
She freaked out
Why did she freak out?
because she said, "You didn't follow the orders. You didn't even do
Didn't even measure the water, crazy person.
I didn't say crazy.
No, I said that. We rock Jada's world. Hey.
You're freaky.
Okay, come on, scale.
Come on.
I can already smell the oatmeal.
It's bubbling.
Smells like buttercream. What kind of fragrance is that? Brambleberry. Okay.
Buttercream snickerdoodle, I think.
Yeah, one day if we might be able to, they might recommend that we be an affiliate and they could,
Don't
it's
touch it.
rumored that you could get paid.
yeah,
The
it's
next
really
thing that we
I know
need,
that. Hey, what is that bought for?
we could
It's
get
had
paid
got
if
the
we have
oil
enough
thing.
subscribers.
But don't
Let's
touch
put
it.
this bowl over
Why?
here. Do you know about it, Carter?
Yeah, I already looked into
Can you
it.
get a spoon, Creighton?
What is it?
Let's see if they can see. Oh, they can't see.
Hello.
I'm about to sneeze.
It's my hand. Here.
Sit on your table.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
Okay, so it's about
You're spilling it, Penny.
I know I make a mess. Okay, dump that in there.
Spoon, Creighton?
And here?
Nope, in there, because we're gonna measure it first.
Creighton needs a spoon.
I need a blow on the hot
Andy needs to pray,
burning,
which he knows how to do.
steaming,
Yep.
hot, steaming.
Okay, all the way,
hot.
because we need 2 boxes, so you can just do the dump
Pour it all the way,
method.
Kevin.
I'm a big fan of the dump method. Oh, we could do math while we're at it. Hey,
I have ice.
do you guys
Yes,
both
I do.
homeschool? Okay, how many grams is in 1 box?
I'm not doing math.
How many grams?
Gonna have to.
How many grams?
448
So
times
450.
2 is what?
It'd be
Free
450.
ice.
900.
900 and what?
Just rounding it.
5.
Would be 9.
How about 2? Don't want to make it too watery.
All right, so
It'd be just rounding it
I want to
900.
get that.
it says 920. I wonder why.
Hey, let those melt.
Can I?
We're sifting.
So 448, and then
Well, that's why, because we're not on 0.
we're still not.
Okay, dump that one and see what happens. Are you guys both homeschooling this year?
Probably not me.
Probably not you.
I might get to go to Adams.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna call it.
Wow, 451. Wow.
We're
you're
gonna call
still-
it 900. So if you want to make notes, because guess what, Jada, I'm gonna do it wrong.
I knew it was 900.
We had 920 was what you had on the other one.
Alright.
So
You know,
900?
shaking. Shaking it away.
What oils you put in?
Ish.
100-ish.
Ish.
It's okay. It's like,
Burning hot.
Because it just cooked.
Well, one more ice.
Yes.
You put ice in your oatmeal?
Yeah, you like ice? Okay, now our next ingredient is
What are we on?
466 grams of citric acid.
I
I don't think this will hold it. Will it?
Stir.
I think it will.
Give it a stir.
Wait, how much did you say?
466.
Oh, yeah.
look how much I got in already.
Now some people, Jada, some people wear masks. Do you need Catherine to wear a mask? Maybe it's not for the citric acid, it's for the SLSA, which we are not using.
I can cover my mouth, you know.
You're fine. You can't cover what you
What do you
do.
think?
Yeah, you're fine.
Does it say it's dangerous?
No, I just know because I've seen it, but I can't remember the details.
It just says danger to avoid suffocation. Keep the bag away from babies and children.
So she will be fine. So she
Do
doesn't
not reuse this bag.
I do not eat stuff that's dangerous.
Okay, are we? Darn it, it turned off again. This is why I need to buy one. Smells Oh, buttercream.
Yeah, we have
From
these.
Walmart.
We need to be on 0, right?
Well, we have to turn it over anyway. Okay, now go
Can I hit
to
the
grams.
button? Can I hit it? I was trying. Look.
Now 0.
Shifting.
Shifting.
Alright.
Okay, then you have to lift up and down.
Guess we'll be like this morning.
All right, Carter. We will need, let me
I
go
watched
check.
the one at
400 something.
466.
I'm almost done.
And it's rumored that the granulated is better. But
Is
we
that what I
will,
got, or that's
we
not
will
what
be
I got?
using what we have. Because that's how we roll.
It's a fine grain.
Yeah, more after this.
Why don't you eat all that first?
That's
Okay, did you
banana
know?
Yeah,
and
466.
Excellent, perfect. Okay, so now you put that in there.
It's not good now.
Don't be good.
Can I
Put
bananas
that in
and
there.
cream after this?
I got it.
Drop it.
Can I bananas and cream after this?
You're still hungry? You need a whole nother
Yeah.
thing of oatmeal?
No, I want to do it. It's my
I
job.
I just want to do this one.
Fine, you did it too. Stop.
Problem.
How old are you, Carter?
13.
And how many siblings do you have?
Sadly 5.
Huh? 75?
I said sadly
Wow.
Sadly, 5. It's not sad.
It's okay. You put the hand in it.
Okay, so our next ingredient is bentonite
Can
clay,
I have bananas
which
and
I bought
cream
online.
now?
It looks like from East
Can I have
Coast
bananas
Supplies.
and cream?
You know what? I think you can wait for about 5 minutes, and you just ate one thing. You should be all right for a few.
I want 5 ices this
30 grams of kaolin clay.
30
Look,
time.
grams.
my hand is in
5
there.
ices this time.
Just take it off or.
Yeah, let's
5
put it back
ounces.
down and see.
This time.
Put that back on
I
there.
want
Well,
bananas
can't you just
and
measure it from
cream.
the.
You didn't
Just like
finish
take
your
it off and.
strawberries yet.
But it wasn't on 0. That's way complicated math to me.
Wow.
Just add what? Add
No,
3.
I don't want to do that. Add. That's math.
You subtract it. Really. That's basically it.
I
I
don't want to do
always
that.
do that.
That's too hard.
I don't eat poop.
Okay.
So just subtract 2.
I don't eat poop.
How much
You
do
don't
need?
eat food?
I don't eat poop.
Oh gosh, let's not talk about that. Nobody should eat poop.
How
I
much do you
think-
need?
Did I tell you I pooped today?
No.
Oh Lord, we're on video, remember?
Oh yeah. Sorry guys. Don't copy me.
Well, some things are important, you know.
Oh, and always play at night and don't cuss. If you know what cussing is.
31. Okay, so put that in. All right, if you guys become older and it's too much information and we need to get rid of the video, you just let me know
Hey,
later.
why is there 2 heads on me?
What did she say? I wasn't.
I
She
can't
pooped.
hear anything.
Well, it's a good day.
Really? Don't tell it was filmed.
Shh.
Okay, no more poop talk.
We're on the. We're making a public video. Okay,
Oh.
now, well.
Let's do it.
Okay, and Jada wants to tell us about this Epsom salt, which she just got at Sam's.
The Epsom salt was a good deal at Sam's. It's not scented, so that's good. We can make it whatever scent we want. And it was, I believe, $9.46 for 14 pounds.
Well, that's a good deal.
So it was a good price.
What you got there, Creighton?
These boys.
What are we gonna make with that?
Home.
This.
We are gonna make bath bombs,
Wait, I'll be over there, over here.
and we're gonna use that. I'll move back over. Oh, they put 2 bags in there. Okay, we don't need much. Let's see, 100 grams. Not much. We're hoping to get to do this twice.
Here. You need this.
Pass the scissors.
Can I cut it? I'll cut
That is
Look,
cheaper.
I started, see?
It's like
Look.
way cheaper than
Now
Walmart.
it's better.
Okay, you know what? I'm just tearing it.
Oh, colorant. You get to pick colorant.
How much did we need of this?
100 grams. I bet the scale is misbehaving.
Wow, Mom.
Turned off.
Yeah, it's Mom.
Turned off again.
Solid.
It's okay. Put it in.
I'm pouring it.
Okay.
Well, you might maybe
We-
use a spoon since it's a little
We
solid.
have
No, that part's a little solid.
pink. I have several kinds of.
Oh,
I have
kind of pink.
You gotta turn it back on.
we
neon
got this
pretty
kind
and
of
pink
pink.
from
We got
Crafter's
this
Choice.
We got this pink.
Matte. No.
We got
That's
this
coral.
Grams. That's pounds.
Got this pink.
How did I get two neon pinks? Because I bought the same thing? Okay, well, if you want a pink, that means the choices are neon, pretty and pink, neon pink pleasure powder,
This one.
and, okay, that one. What do you select?
This one.
That was a sample from Crafter's Choice. If you order very much stuff, free shipping. Okay,
We don't do that. This one you know.
well, they're fighting with the scale.
Fight, skip. Fight, skip.
I don't see grams.
You have to turn it over.
I did.
If
I'm
it
getting
says milliliter.
Is that what you want? Milliliters instead of grams?
No, because if you have it on
Oh,
milliliters,
well, you don't
then you put it down here. Nope, wait. Put it down.
What does it look like?
If it says milliliters and grams are the same thing. So then you press mode.
There
Then,
it is. Grams.
And how much do you need this? 100?
okay, wait, 100. Wait, so first 0. Okay, Catherine, you're doing the.
And then she needed 100.
100.
that.
Oatmeal now.
No, not oatmeal now.
Why?
In.
Ooh.
I
what is the pink
and
Not on your fingers,
Okay, I
lady.
can't tell if I'm.
Oh, Catherine.
Oh
This
my
move.
gosh. Good, don't touch
Put your
the scale.
finger in there.
Dip it in the white part. In the white part. Let it come off of your finger into the white part.
Let me get you a spoon, Catherine.
I'm just gonna get, Stop looking. Stop looking.
piping.
I hope this wash off.
Not too much.
Yes, done.
Okay, well I went a little bit over like 15 grams, so.
Oh well.
Put it back in.
Look, I make it
Ah, whereby cross-contaminating the Epsom salt.
I made it
113. No, 112.
It's okay, just dump it in.
Not yet.
Creighton is making noise over there.
Make
Okay.
music.
Luckily, it's not rocket science for me, because if it is, it would never work for me.
9. Oh, nope.
Okay, this is the
Okay,
part
that's
where we put the Epsom salt in here.
I still got it.
All right, and now you're gonna stir, stir, stir.
I do that. I do this.
In the bowl.
Gosh, it's hot in here.
No, it isn't.
It feels hot to me.
Catch her a little bit. Ken.
So what was the pink stuff?
No!
The pink stuff
I get the
is...
whole you too many. You dump stuff.
What?
It's cosmetic grade.
What? You want me?
Wow, it is in a pretty solid form.
Okay, we're gonna put that back so that we don't spill it. Let's zip up the bags and put them back so that we don't spill everywhere, because since I'm here, that could happen.
I don't spill things.
You don't? All right, you get down so you're not breathing citric acid, because I cannot remember. Let me put it over here. We'll move over. We'll move over.
I'm just going to
Is that like something?
All right, bring it with you.
It's all natural.
Bring white paper.
It's going food, so
It is.
What?
I can't imagine what you're gonna do.
Got bones in there.
Can
Okay, this is the part where we double check and make sure that we've got all of our ingredients in.
Keep it in the bowl.
We're up to 24 minutes. You think anyone will watch this far? So we double check and make sure that we have all our ingredients in. Okay, we got the baking soda, we got the citric acid, we got the Epsom salt, we got the kale and clay. Okay, excellent. So now we're gonna sift.
What is the mango butter?
Don't
That's
cut it.
mango butter. Sorry.
Okay.
We're gonna do that in a minute. Once we do that, we're gonna pause until we get this mixed.
Fine, if we have time, you're not helping making more bath bombs for the boys.
You hope that there's time to make bath bombs for the boys. Did you select your fragrance?
Yeah, my mom, what
He
did you put
narrowed
it?
it down to 2. He narrowed it down to
What?
some sort of rain.
Rain?
Oh, it was-
Rain. And the other one
That smells something good.
was
Kind of.
uh,
I can
And
kind of
I'll
taste
eat-
it.
This is going into my mouth.
I know, I can taste it too.
It tastes good.
Let there be light.
Yeah.
Okay.
See real quick.
Hey!
Wait.
Okay. Use words, please.
Give it to me.
Wait.
preferably nice words.
Please give it to me. Please keep that up close to.
Still on pause?
No, it shouldn't be.
Oh.
It looks like it's doing
You know it's really good?
what's really good.
It's called YouTube Magic. Right?
Oh.
And you
Editing?
you just snap your fingers and pause the video, and then have it done already,
Does that.
and then unpause it.
Oh, that requires editing, which is not one of my skills.
You just pause it.
Cookie will see does that.
Who does?
Cookie will see.
Well, that one's open.
Can you hand me that one
Okay.
so I can cut? Oh,
Now,
I'm cutting it.
let me do it really fast. So I have 50 years of practice.
50? You're only like 30. What are you talking about?
More light.
Flattery will get you 5 seconds down the road. Oh, here comes Mom with the thing. Okay, so make a. Hold on, we want to get the whole thing.
Oh,
All
what?
right.
Yep. I'm up for it.
Okay, go ahead.
Very careful.
All
It's all
the,
it.
all the way in. That's our mango butter and fragrance oil.
Just let me stir it a little bit, okay? Can I stir it now?
And
Whoa.
I have a red thing.
Did you pick
I
up
want
some?
to see it.
There you go. Clayton,
Okay.
wanna see it? That actually
Right.
smells really good,
Okay,
Catherine.
what we're gonna do is scrape it, and then we're gonna save our container to put our water in. Okay.
Why scrape it? It smells so good.
Have you ever heard of
It smells
royalty
like
soap?
sugar.
Okay, since it does, it smells like sugar. It smells like cookies. Catherine gets to stir first.
Fine.
Birthday girls are first.
Actually, no, you have to
It's my birthday.
It was your birthday.
And you gotta actually
Leave her alone. How old are you, Carter?
13.
Oh my goodness.
I'm 5. The big chunks of poop.
Not the poop again.
Poop. Poop.
Yeah, see this where if you knew how to do it, then we could edit it and do the fast motion. So we'll probably just have to do the on-off method.
Buttercream.
Your big chunks of poop.
Oh, not the poop talk again.
See, Catherine, look what you made Clayton do.
Great.
Great.
Can you eat it?
No,
Okay.
it's not to eat.
It's back bomb.
Keep it in the bowl.
Okay, we decided that Catherine can do like so.
We could both do it, Catherine.
And then just have oatmeal. More
It
oatmeal.
smells so good when you have
Yeah,
it
it's gonna
close.
help a little bit.
Which kind are you having, Grace?
You can use the spoon some too.
Can I try that?
We gotta do like squish it together.
Did you say
You
bananas
want to distribute the oil. No, if you're doing an oatmeal thing, back away from the bowl.
There's hair on my face.
Why?
Clayton, do you want bananas?
You changed your mind? Now you don't want to do oatmeal?
I want
There's
bananas.
hair on my face.
Bananas and cream.
Banana.
Bananas and cream.
You should make oatmeal, Mom.
Whoa, look at
I
that.
want two for the oatmeal.
Like you want to squeeze it together?
Because we want to get all of the mango butter and
Hey,
fragrance oil
We don't
evenly
have to
distributed.
cover me now. You said you have.
Wait, Kathy, hold out your hands. And then you squeeze it again.
Do you have a clean measuring cup?
Okay, Cody, help. Carter.
You gotta get all the way at the bottom. I can feel it down there. See?
I'm hoping not.
Good
So.
night. Okay, so once you're sure that it's all evenly distributed in there,
Which I don't think it is yet.
I say to Catherine, that makes you hungry.
Yep, it does.
Nah.
Catherine, who doesn't get to eat yet.
Yeah, like 10.
You can pretend.
I'm mad.
I
Hey,
love-
you were my sand castle.
Okay, so this is how it feels, and then this is the part where we're gonna add little bits of water. So I'm gonna show
It
you
almost
how I
feels
do
like-
it.
Sand.
It feels like sand. This is what I do. I take, this is, do you want me to do it wrong, Jada? Okay, I am gonna take,
How do you make these in
see this is my bowl I had the mango in.
Oh, I can do it with this one. This one has markings in it.
Okay, and you're gonna take 2 tablespoons. Jada's making Creighton more oatmeal, but she can't. Okay. And I put the water in there, and then you're going to use the pipette that you have the fragrance in. And then you're going to add water slowly, 5 or 6 drops at a time.
How long did you
Hi, baby.
Who's that?
A minute. Richard just came home.
Make me a sand castle. Or
Okay.
bath bomb castle.
We're making bath bombs. Okay, so now put it all down in there.
Oh, but I have a perfect
It's
ball.
not ready yet. It needs a smidgen more water.
You could drop some on mine.
You see, it's not
There.
quite ready. Okay,
Can
wait. Okay, so we're gonna put just a couple drops in at a time.
Whoa, it fizzes up.
That's because of the citric acid. So now mix that in.
Oh, it's
Ooh,
cold.
Hi, baby.
It's cold.
Hey, Richard.
Well, that's a different
What about
shirt.
with this spoon?
Stop.
Can I put you on
do it.
video?
No,
No,
I'm
he
doing
says
this
no.
by myself.
All right, Carter, back it up.
I
It's
know,
her
I'm-
birthday.
I'm-
Let her back away.
I'm trying to get all
Sisters
the...
with birthdays with pink get to go first.
Pink is my favorite color, guys. Tell me what
Okay.
your favorite colors in the comments. Right, Penny? Tell us in the comments what's your favorite color.
What?
Let's see.
But I have the free
And tell us what your favorite bath bomb smell is. If you know what a bath bomb is.
Okay, Creighton, stop.
The cat is a night owl. She wants
What
to
is this?
You gotta smell this, Richard. It smells so
I
good.
smell it.
I picked it out.
Big bad food. That's
Sit on your butt.
so.
Thank you.
It's hot, okay?
Let's make a big
Here.
bad
Jump on this one.
You have to put it all in the water.
Make a space.
Me.
I'm going to show you when we get to the final thing.
It's a type.
Okay, so we've been It's a bug. Please take care of the bug, Jada. Thank you. It's a bug emergency.
I got it.
Okay. We are getting to almost ready stage here. And what you want to do is you don't want to tip over and go into too wet. So we might try.
And tell us what your favorite color is. And tell us what we should make next.
Oh,
Comment.
yes, you should.
If anybody watched this, the 30-minute video.
What is your YouTube channel?
It's Kill Switch Brick, but I think I took down all my videos. I don't know.
Somebody commented on one of mine and I didn't know who it was. Okay, it feels right. So what we're gonna do
It
is
was on the plastic over here.
we had a bug problem over there. So that's what that loud noise was when we came back.
And we're really
I feel
sorry.
that it's good.
It's like that kinetic sand, you know?
Okay.
Yeah,
You
kinetic
So
sand.
it feels like kinetic sand. So I think it might need just a little more water. So what you do is you push
Up
it in.
there.
I'm afraid. I think we need just a smidge more water.
I'm holding
I'm
up mine.
afraid. I'm afraid.
I'm gonna hold mine.
So that way you get a little bit more of your mango butter and your buttercream.
Oh, look, it's spinning on my hand.
Why can't I make a little bowl with that?
I don't want to put your oatmeal in that. I
Creighton,
think that's what he's
focus
saying.
on eating for now, okay? Leave the
I'm
things
gonna
alone.
put this away until you eat your
Can you
oatmeal,
put
okay?
Which kid's
the little one
great
and the
for that?
big one?
Creighton
Yes,
belongs
I'll
to
put the little one and the
Tabitha.
big one. I'll stack them.
Oh, you know what? Papa's here, so you get to have your birthday gift. You have a birthday gift.
I think it's ready.
We have to have it equally ready. See, you're not even, I don't have you in the screen.
I have a birthday present.
Hey, can you man
coming
this
up.
camera?
Stuff.
You know I don't like teddy bears.
You don't like teddy bears?
How does it fold up?
You unscrew
I'm a
what your
teddy
hand is
bear.
holding. Nope,
This one?
that part.
Like, which way?
Unscrew
Lefty-loosey.
lefty-loosey, righty-tighty.
Alright.
Do not destroy this castle.
Do not destroy the castle here. Put the castle